Alright, what's up guys? EDC update. Kind of dark, but let the natural light, maybe it'll pick up better. Yeah, probably not, but. So, EDC update. Haven't done one in a while, so why not? Um, my primary blade, or my only blade for today, is the Leek. Assisted knife. Very nice. Just sharpened it up. Wicked. Alright, sorry about that. Just had to zoom. Paracord. I've been wearing solid blue, solid orange, blue and orange. Here, let me turn up the light and see if I can get it better. Maybe not, but blue and orange. G-Shock. My keys. Cobra Stitch. Box knot. Carabiner house key. Gym membership. And lanyard. Cell phone is a BlackBerry Storm. It's charging, so. A wallet. Standard bifold. That's it. That's my EDC, guys. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Talk to you later.